everyone, Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company. This week I thought we would showcase the Simon Says Stamp December 2021 card kit of the month called Santa's Helpers. But first let's take a look and see what we get in the card kit. I actually don't think I got what I'm supposed to get in the card kit, but that's okay. We got some other goodies to play with that are comparable. Starting with the cardstock, we get, of course, a white sheet of a Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstock. We get a black sheet. I believe this is also Simon Says Stamp. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. The white is 110-pound Nina Solar White cardstock. This is Simon Says Stamp 100-pound black. Simon Says Stamp 100-pound Audrey Blue. And this is, of course, Simon Says Stamp Lipstick Red. We also get a 10 sheets of the double-sided Craft Consortium Made by Elves paper. So this has got a bunch of Christmas themes, and they are all double-sided. You know how much that vexes me, but we will do our best to choose sides that I like, and they're kind of neat. This one's got a little bit of shine on it, and this one's got some gold foiling in it, so they're pretty. Kind of give you an idea of what all these look like. They're just kind of very festive, very joyful. I like the whimsy of the card kit, I guess you could say. Sometimes it's just fun to get with something that's a little bit not so serious. Alright, so this is, I think, what the decoupage sheets were supposed to look like. We were supposed to get 5 sheets of Craft Consortium 3D decoupage in the Made by Elves, but we ended up with it's Gnome Time. So these are little gnomes rather, which they're kind of cute. I think these will be kind of just therapeutic to play with. So I got 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are those 5. We also get a stamp set. This is the 6x8 Santa's Helpers stamp set. So this is a really cute image. I like the little snowman. We get some envelopes. This is Audrey Blue and White. Goes nicely with our cardstock. We get some, we're supposed to get some Doris adhesive foam squares, but we ended up with the scrapbook adhesives, which I like those a lot. They're nice. We get a package of the Ideology bubbles. We get a Spectrum Noir sparkle pen. This is in spun gold. Looks pretty. We also get a crackle paste and icicle, so we got some more of that. A palette knife and a Doris bottle. This is the needle tip applicator bottle. So it's got a fine tip up there. And I think they showed them actually putting the crackle paste in this, so maybe I'll try that since I've got some extra bottles of that stuff floating. And there you have it. There's the contents of this month's kit. I look forward to showing you the cards that we can create with it. Stay tuned. Alright, so here are the 6 cards that we were able to create using this kit. I used all of the little, these things, I don't know what they're called, the little buildables. I thought they were cute and they were really kind of fun. But I ran into some trouble because they don't coordinate with the paper. So the paper has elves and like a completely different color palette on it. So I kind of struggled making these into cards because of that. So I did actually just use some white cardstock, and then of course this is from the stamp set. I really liked the font in the stamp set, and I did like the little gnomes as well, but it just kind of made it a little challenging because they didn't coordinate with the paper, so I kind of had to think a little bit outside of the box here. This one, of course, is very simple, and I went and put some glitter pin on the little mushrooms and just kind of added some accents to the spots on the mushrooms and then the berries, just to give it a little bit of shimmer. And there you have card number 1. So these were obviously very simple because I just used, it was easy to make my 5 cards because I used 5 of the little punch outs that we got. So for the next card, I wanted it to have some pattern paper, but like I said, since it doesn't coordinate with the gnomes, or the elves rather, in the card kit, the pattern paper looked kind of strange with it. So I just brought in some of my own pattern paper. This is, let me find it here. This is Merry Little Christmas from Pebbles. It's got some really pretty reds and golds in it, and that's what I ended up using as the pattern paper for this kit, just so I could finish out these cards using these cute little buildables here. Again, this is the Merry Christmas from the stamp set. I really do like the font from that stamp set. It was really easy to build all of these and just really make 5 quick cards. So I highly recommend them. They were kind of, they're not something I would naturally gravitate towards, but once I started to put them together, I really thought they were a lot of fun and just really enjoyed them. And so here I've got some more of the pattern paper from that Pebbles Merry Little Christmas pack, and just stamped again the Merry Christmas from the stamp set. Put some glitter pin. All of these have a little bit of glitter pin on them just to give them a little bit of sparkle. Maybe I only made 5 cards with this kit. I used the 4 punch outs. This is the last one. Again, some more of that pattern paper. Merry Christmas from the stamp set. And that created 4 very quick cards, as you can see, and they're very they go together very nicely. And then for the last one, I just used some of my Copic markers. I stamped that image from the stamp set, and this is some of the black cardstock that we got in the stamp set. And I brought in, this is a Pink Fresh Studio hot foil plate called Diagonal Stripes. I just used some red foil that I have in my stash to make that, and a scallop die from Simon Says Stamp. And there you have card number 5. So there are the 5 cards we created using this kit. These were very, very fast to come together. The only thing that I ran into, like I said, was the pattern paper, but I was able to find some pattern paper that I liked, that I thought coordinated well with the cutouts. So anyway, hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you all had a Merry Christmas. I know we are beyond Christmas now. I have one more Christmas card kit that I'd like to do for the year before I call it quits. I usually celebrate Christmas into January, so I'm pretty good with that. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I hope that I brought you all some inspiration if you got the little gnomes instead of the little elves as well. And just hope that you all had a Merry Christmas. Talk to you all soon. Thanks so much.